Meet Osmo 360. Capture the action, every angle, every time. We changed the game. 1-inch 360 imaging, native 8K. Every pixel counts. The result? Ultra-high dynamic range. Crisp, vivid, real. Low light? No problem. Enable Super Night mode to get clearer shots. D-Log M, 10-bit color, pro editing, unlocked. Stretch time with dramatic slow motion, up to 100 FPS. The invisible selfie stick unlocks third-person views like never before. Switch to selfie mode. Be the action. You're the star. Freeze moments in breathtaking 360 photos. Reframe after your 360 shot, all on your phone. Go single lens up to 5K 60 FPS or push the limits with Boost Video. Mount and film in seconds with quick release and snapshot. Record up to 100 minutes in 8K 30 FPS or go the distance with the battery extension rod. Rocksteady eliminates shake, no matter how wild the ride. Switch lenses mid-shoot, from you to the wild, in one move. Sync your stats instantly, show off your pace. Pair with the DJI mic series for studio quality audio.
Let's run it.
Edit anywhere with DJI Mimo and DJI Studio. Lock on your subject with intelligent tracking for hero moments. Osmo 360, your all-in-one adventure companion.